kalimutan po natin lahat ng mga material na bagay, yung mga pinagandaan. Ang mahalaga po, narito po sila, no? It's a surprising thing, nagkasama sila after 25 years. Buo pa rin. And that is God's greatest miracle. Meron pa lang forever.
When I found you, I found what every heart dreams of.
There are 3 secrets para tumagal ng 25 years in marriage, para merong forever. Number 1, forbearance, pagtitiis, okay? Forgiveness, giving the other a chance, learning how to forget, and foresight. Foresight that God is our final goal. At kapag meron po tayo niyan,
When I found you, I saw my fears fly away like a dove. When I found you, I found love. I know true love sounds crazy, but worth waiting for.
Dalangin ko sa buong may kapal na lalo pang pagtibayin ang ating pagsasama at kahit anong dumating na mga problema na higit pa sa mga dumating sa atin sa loob na nakaraang 25 taon ay pinapangako ko sa iyo na magiging matatag ako at lalong magiging mapagmahal.
Kahit hindi nyo naririnig, ay alam nyo na mahal ko ang asawa ko. Yeah!
I know true love sounds crazy, but worth waiting for. You are
Happy anniversary, Mama and Papa. Sana na-surprise namin kayo sa araw na to. Maraming salamat sa lahat-lahat. Alam naman namin lahat, na madami kayo natulungan. And you truly deserve this day. Sana na-enjoy nyo at matreasure nyo siya habang buhay.
when I found you, found one more reason to smile. When I found you, I knew I finally found enough. When I found you, I found love. Yeah, I did. When I found you, I found love. When I found you, I found love.
Kaya makita po natin si Maming at si Ditong naririto, nakakagulat, surprising. And God is a God of surprises dahil naririto po sila. Amen?